Hey everyone, this is Josh over at Silver Arrow Service here in Hudson, New Hampshire. Today I'm working on this 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Car came in for a state inspection and we found quite a bit of play in this right rear wheel bearing. So we're going to go ahead and swap out that wheel bearing so that the vehicle passes inspection. A 14mm socket. We're going to remove our caliper and remove our rotor, and we should be able to access the bolts for the wheel bearing right there. There's our new one. I'm going to go ahead and take a whiz wheel. I'll clean up the corrosion in here, so that way when I put this in, it'll slide in nice and smooth. Because right now, it's going to hang up on all that corrosion. See on the back of this bearing, there's holes for these lineup pins, and they only go one way. If you put the bearing upside down, it's not going to go in and be centered. So you want to make sure that your holes are towards the top. And slide it in. We'll give it a couple little taps. We're going to go ahead and torque those bolts now. The torque spec is 49 to 58 Newton meters, so we're going to split the difference and we're going to torque them to 55, and then we'll be able to put our rotor back on, our caliper, and torque the wheel back on. Now we have our rotor back on, our caliper. The torque spec for the caliper is the same as the wheel bearing. It's about 40 to 50 Newton meters. So we got that on, we got that all torqued up. We're gonna go ahead and put our wheel back on, torque our wheel, and this job will be complete. So once again, that completes our repair on this 2012 Hyundai Veloster. We replaced that rear wheel bearing. Now that we have the new wheel bearing in, there's no play. So this vehicle now passes inspection. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us at 603-566-2075, or you can get us on Facebook, Instagram, or our website at www.silveraeroservice.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button below, and we'll see you next time.